After learning how to do the defibrillator, I wouldn't wait for anybody to step up. I would be that person who stepped up to do it. My name is Lavoris Trimble. I work for the Dallas Public Library, and today I learned how to save a life using the AED, and that's the automatic external defibrillator. It was really life-changing to know that I could operate it and to know that if the situation did arrive, I could save a life. Actually, I can't wait to go and tell the other staff members and even my family what I did today. What really helped me was hearing the voice, but also on the machine, the words were written out. So I never felt like I was really alone. I think if I didn't have the Power Heart machine, that I probably would have froze up. I lost a cousin, and he was only 38 years old, and he went to the hospital, and we all went there, and they said he was okay. We went home. We got another call back, and he didn't make it. And I had also lost my grandfather, and I saw where the paramedics, the guys, they did all they could. I saw them doing CPR. I saw them with the paddles. So knowing that of the group of people that we had in the demonstration, I was chosen, and after learning how to do the defibrillator, I wouldn't wait for anybody to step up. I would be that person who stepped up to do it. For anyone who doesn't have an AED in your building, I would definitely say speak to your manager, because this is a life-saving piece of equipment. It's a no-brainer.